Hi, good evening. This is the first session for high school students, which means students studying in class 8th, 9th, and 10th. And every Wednesday and Saturday at 6:30 p.m., I'll be here live discussing various topics which is applicable for students in class 8 to 10. So that is the regular schedule. Okay. So today, I welcome each one of you who are watching this live session. And today, I'm going to discuss various number systems which are being used extensively in our daily life. So, without wasting your time, I wanted to go directly into the topic. So, let us begin. Let me share the screen for you to have better clarity. Yes, let me share the mind map for you, which will give you enhanced experience. So I hope the screen is visible to each one of you. So here, the number system. I wanted to discuss with you two types of number system which we follow in India, and also the one which is followed by Western people. Okay, which is popular in US and UK. Now, when we are discussing about the number system, first we shall discuss the number system which is applicable in India. In India, we treat numbers as the multiples of 10. Just like, see, we treat it, let me bring it to the visible line for each one of you. See here, 10, 100, then when it is again multiplied with 10, we get 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, like that. When we write it in the exponent form, 10 raised to 1, 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 8, 10 to the power 9. This is what we usually use in Indian system. We say that tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, like that. That is the routine we follow here in India. Now, I hope this is absolutely clear for each one of you, because we are familiar with this particular system. And now I wanted to give you the system which is being followed by Europeans, especially in US and UK. They consider the numbering system to be the multiples of thousands. That is the major difference. And it is being used extensively across the world in day-to-day life. Even in India also, we are using those terms in a very popular manner. So let us discuss about that. See, the first one after one, they treat the next milestone, next number to be 1000, which they represent as 1 kilo. Kilo means 1000. That is the explanation. Now, what is 1 kilo? It is 1000, 10 to the power 3. Now, again, 1000 thousands or 1000 kilo, which is mentioned by Western people as 1 million. That means 1000 thousands becomes 10 lakh. Or when we represent the same in the exponent form, we can mention it as, second, let me move it slightly this side so that you will be able to watch it. Second, sorry. Let me move it. Move the whole screen this side. 1 second. Okay, now it is 10 to the power 6. Now, that is 1 million. Now, next milestone or next number which is coming after million is billion by US people. So 1 billion is 1,000 millions. 1 billion is 1,000 millions. So 1,000 times 10 lakh, which is 100 crores. And if we consider the current population of India, it is around 150 crore, 140 plus crore. So we can say that the population in India is approximately near to 1.5 billion. And if we consider the whole population in the entire globe, we can treat it to be some 7 billion or 750 billion or less than 8 billion. That is the current population of the whole globe, whole world. Now, next to billion, then comes trillion. What is 1 trillion? 1 trillion is 1,000 billions, which means we should put 12 zeros after 1 to get 1 billion. Then after billion, 12 zeros after 1 to get 1 trillion. Yeah. Now after trillion, there are quadrillion and so on. So I wanted each one of you to have the concept behind the number system, which is popularly used across the globe, initiated by people in US and UK. So they follow the system kilo, million, billion, trillion, etc. So on. So in each step, it is multiplied by 1,000. That is the peculiarity when it is related to the number system followed by Western people. Now, why I discussed this with you? Because, see, let me stop sharing this. I hope you got better understanding related to this. 1 second, let me move back. Okay. Now, why I'm discussing this with you? For students in 10th or even +1, +2, or even at graduate level, they use the terms million, billion, trillion like. But when I discussed with many of the students, they are not actually having the clear insights related to million, billion, trillion, etc. So if you clearly understand the logic behind million, billion, trillion and the sequential order, it will be easy for you to understand number in this pattern. So apart from Indian system of numbers, you can easily understand the Western system as well. Even in many of our channel discussions, TV channel discussions, I usually listen or I heard people whom we assume to be knowledgeable persons, they use these terms meaningless or senseless in a senseless fashion. So I thought that this should be clear for a student who is starting his or her learning meaningfully. So this will be really helpful for class 8th, 9th and 10th students while they are pursuing their learning journey forward. Now, I just wanted to share one more thing with you. I wanted each one of you to attend my free webinar, which is called Physics Made Easy. It is a 2-hour long webinar, absolutely free. You can register for the webinar by clicking the link given in the description box. You will get primary details regarding the webinar from the landing page. Okay. So if you click the link in the description, you will be taken to a web page where the more details and timing and every details related to the next webinar will be given. You can watch it or you can go through that and register for the webinar, where I will teach you how to make your learning journey with physics much easier, simplified, fun-filled, exciting. You will be passionate in learning physics, exploring physics. That is my commitment. It will be a 2-hour long webinar. You can attend the webinar along with your parent. If you are a parent, you can attend the webinar with your child who is in class 8 to 12th. I will be able to put a mirror in front of you, which will help you to realize the gaps and cracks existing in the current education system, especially when it is related to learning physics at higher level. So you can click and register for my upcoming free webinar by watching the description link given in the description. So that much for today. And the next session for class, high school classes, it will be there live on coming Wednesday. Tomorrow, Sunday, we are having the special live session, which is common to any student in class 8, 9, 10th, 11th or 12th, or even after that, which will be applicable for parents also, or any public. I will be discussing some general topic related to physics on Sundays at 10:30 a.m. So I would like each one of you to be there at 10:30 tomorrow. See you then, signing off. Bye-bye.